Okay, so in geometry today, we're covering section 2.2, definitions of biconditional statements. The first thing we talked about was the definition of a perpendicular line. So two lines are perpendicular if they form a right angle. You can see that by the little tiny black two lines here with the red square to indicate those lines are perpendicular. The symbol for perpendicular is right here. It is the upside down T. So line N is perpendicular to line M. Okay, then we talked about how definitions can work both ways, right? So, example, if two lines are perpendicular, then they intersect to form a right angle. But we can also say if two lines intersect to form a right angle, then they are perpendicular. So they work both ways, frontwards and backwards. Then we had some practice here. We practiced, so we looked up some earlier definitions, such as collinear. Collinear are points that lie on the same line, and adjacent angles, two angles with a common vertex inside, but no interior points. So we looked up these two definitions that we had before, and then we tried to apply them to this statement over here. So the question was, is this true or false? Explain using definitions. And I said, so points D, X, and B are collinear. And that happens to be true because they lie on the same line. So the important part is actually saying this part. So we're backing up our claim with a definition. So true, points D, X, and B are collinear because they lie on the same line. Then we did B, which was line AC is perpendicular to line BD, and this is also true because line AC and line B intersect to form a right angle, as it says right up there. However, C, angle AXB is adjacent to angle CDX. If we go back to the picture there, so angle CDX, this angle and this angle, it was saying those are adjacent, and this is false because they don't share a common side. So I wrote that down here. False, they're not adjacent because they do not share a common side. So it's very important that we are writing the because parts to back up our statements. Then I had a you try. Okay, I gave everybody a picture and said points RST are collinear. And in this case they are because they lie on the same line. And ray SU is perpendicular to line RT. And that is false because they do not intersect to form right angles. So that's what we did today. And download the notes and make sure that you can follow everything. Go over this video if you need to. All right.